मायनिंग ज्या काळात बंद जालें ताच्या मागीर परिस्थिती कितें बदलली, त्या मागीर कितले लोक तांकां आतां परिणाम जाणवपा लागलो की बाबा आपूण फुडें 8वी 9वीन आपूण मागीर ट्रकार वतालो, म्हयन्याक इतले कमयतालो. पूण आतां म्हाजे कडेन कांयच ना. तेन्ना सगळें समृद्ध आशिल्लें, सगळें बरें आशिल्लें वातावरण. पण आतां जेन्ना ताजे कडेन कांय काम ना तेन्ना तो कितून कॅटेगरायज जाता की तो अर्निंग मेंबरान कॅटेगरायज वचना आतां. Now he is, for all practical purposes, a person who dropped out from school and is not employable right now.
This is strictly school dropout, not college dropout.
Yeah, in the sense,
how do you classify this dropout?
see, for us, our definition of dropout normally is a bit broader. For in the sense that we've kept our idea open to the thing that having merely studied till 12th does not mean the complete education for us. A further education, a degree, is also necessary today. As a student community, recently there was there were some people caught in GEC also having drugs. So from that we can come to know that it is quite severe. If there are campuses which have drugs being traded, I think it becomes a severe thing.
Has the government failed in its duty to crack down on this?
I wouldn't say it has failed as such. What happens is there are two sides to every problem. One is what has the government done, and what do the people want to do for it. Now, if some people are getting money through it, there is a very less chance of cooperation with them. But or to say bluntly, I think the government has done very less.
आम्ही मायनिंग एरियाचे सिलेक्ट केल्ले आसा नॉर्थ गोवान ते आसा नावेली, साखळे, देन मयेम आणि सुर्ला, आणि साउथ गोवान आमी सावोर्डेम, सांगेम आणि केपें सिलेक्ट केल्ले आसा. ट्युरिजमा खातीर आमी नेरूल, कलंगूट, मोर्जेम, हरमल ट्युरिस्ट एरिया, सावोर्डेम पंचायत, सांगेम आणि केपें, नेरूल, कलंगूट, हरमल, मोर्जे, मोर्जीम, हरमल, कलंगूट आणि साउथ गोवान
आणि साउथ गोवान डेटा सगळो आमचे कडेन येतलो न्ही, त्या डेटाचे एनालिसीस जातकच आमी कितें करतले की ताचो जो एक अहवाल तयार करता. अहवाल सादरीकरण आमचे काही स्तरांचेर जातलें. एक स्तर आसतलो, तो एक आसतलो पूर्ण नागरीक स्तराचेर, पब्लिकाक एक तर सादर करपाकूच जाय की पब्लिकाक अफेक्ट जाता. दुसरो आसता म्हणल्यार आमी एज्युकेशन मिनिस्टर